Cupcake. Cupcakes are mini cakes baked in small cups, perfect for individual servings. Tiramisu. Tiramisu means pick me up in Italian. Macaron. Macaron originated in Italy, but became famous in France. Mochi. Mochi is a Japanese sweet with a chewy texture made from glutinous rice. Churros. Churros are often eaten in Spain, dipped in thick, hot chocolate. Apple pie. Apple pie is often considered a symbol of American tradition and comfort food. Taiyaki. Taiyaki is a Japanese fish-shaped cake, usually filled with red bean paste. Donut. Donuts were shaped with holes to help them cook more evenly. Crème brûlée. Crème brûlée has a caramelized sugar top that is cracked before eating. Sacher Torte. Sacher Torte is a famous Austrian chocolate cake with rich chocolate and apricot jam inside. Ice cream. Ice cream is a frozen dessert made from milk and cream in many flavors worldwide. Bubble tea. Bubble tea was created in Taiwan in the 1980s. Waffle. Waffles are crispy, grid-shaped cakes, often served with syrup or fruit. Cannoli. Cannoli is a Sicilian dessert with a crispy shell filled with sweet cream. Egg tart. Egg tarts are a popular dessert in Hong Kong with a creamy custard filling. Chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate chip cookies were first made in the US in the 1930s. What is your favorite sweet treat?